Okay, in this exercise, we're going to solve the problem that says write a Python program to find and print the sum of all numbers stored in a list. And here's the list provided for you. Okay, so when you see a problem like that, it's very important that to make sure that you have the exact numbers or the exact items in the list. So to make sure that you have that, you want to just copy that, make sure that you copy it and paste it so you do not miss any values, because the result will be completely different. Okay, so we're going to solve this one. We're going to use for loop to solve this problem. So we need to find the sum of all these numbers. Okay, is there another easy way to do it? Yes, but we want to practice the for loop. Okay, we want to practice the for loop. All right, so first I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to call it sum. This one is going to hold the result or the sum of all these numbers. Okay, so and then I'm going to start my for loop. I'm going to say for, and then the variable name, you can name it whatever you want. I can say for I, for example, n, and the name of my list, which is numbers underscore list, and then colon. So I is going to take the values or the values of the items in this list. First is going to start with 6, then 5, 3, and so on and so forth until 11. Okay, so every time what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to say sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, that's it. So sum is going to start at the beginning with 0, then the first time I'm going to add to it 0 plus 6, and then it's going to be the new sum, which is going to make sum equal to 6. Then the new, after that, when I go to the second item, is going to be 6 plus 5, and sum is going to be 11. And then I'm going to go again, I is going to take number 3, and then I'm going to say 11 plus 3 is going to be 14, and so on and so forth, until there is no more items in the list, which means that we get to number 11, we compute number 11. Okay, at the end, I'm just going to print, have a print statement, and I can say the sum is comma sum. Okay, this is a very simple way. Let me go ahead and run this program, and the results gave me 48. So this is about the first example, very simple example. Okay, we have the list and we call the list over here as my sequence, and then over here I just keep adding the items to the sum, and then I printed out the sum. Okay, try this example by yourself.